today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, then you come to next CPR. Then all you have to do now, just click here on trading here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So and here can you select here or set your default portfolio here screen. If you want to add overview here or cards view, can you select it here? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.